In this video, I'll show you how to create a post just like this one. First, open Canva. Then, select the size or template you want to work with. Next, go to the Upload section and choose the image you want to use. Now, resize the image to fit your design as needed. Now, click on the Elements tab. In the search bar, type gradient that fade. Choose the gradient style you like. Adjust and position the gradient as you like to fit your design. Change the gradient color to match your background. In the Elements tab, search for light to find glowing effects. Add a light effect behind the image to make it stand out. Now, go back to the Upload section. Select the same image you used earlier from your uploads. Remove the background from the image using the background remover. Resize the image and click the Share button. Then select Download to save your design. Go to the Upload section again to upload your next image for the new design. Place the light effect behind the image to make it pop. Go to the Layers panel and click Send Backward to position the light effect behind the image. Apply the gradient fade effect to create a soft, blurry look. Adjust the size and change the color of the gradient to match your background. Duplicate the element as needed to fit your design. Go back to the Upload section to select your next image. Remove the background from the image and adjust its size to fit your design. Click the Share button, then select Download to save your image. For the third and final design, go to the Upload section again. Change the background color of the image to match your design theme. Select the same gradient fade effect we used earlier for consistency. Adjust the gradient and position it on the image to create the desired fade effect. Adjust the gradient's color to match the background for a seamless look. Apply the light effect behind the main image to make it stand out. Go to the Layers panel and position the light layer behind the image layer. Duplicate the gradient fade effect as needed to enhance your design. Go back to the Upload section and select your image again. Remove the background from the image to make it transparent. Resize the image as needed, then click the Share button and select Download to save the image. Go to the Upload section, then select each image you've designed one by one. Resize and arrange all the uploaded images as needed for your final design. Finally, click the Share button and download the final version of your design.